subscribe to the channel. I'll keep the tracks coming. You dig? Lil Wayne, Sean, about to do a thing. Yo. Freestylin, make it sound, party while they getting down. Freestylin, make it sound, party while they getting down. Freestylin, make it sound, party while they getting down. Freestylin, get down, make it while they getting down.
I don't give a damn about what you gotta say, cause no matter what, niggas always gonna hate. They always gonna be fake, they ain't never gonna learn. But keep playing, bitch, anybody I'ma burn.
Yeah, I'ma burn you. I'ma toast your ass and I ain't got many flaws, but I will never boast or brag, living large. So you probably see me toast my glass in life in a fast lane car, but I'm never looking back.
He ain't never looking back, but neither am I. Lord knows I stay high, he can see it in my eyes, killing mine, that's the line. Cause I got hella rhymes and I keep a fine bitch, nothing under a dime.
Yeah, we always back in dimes, I ain't talking about change. Stay scoping to the game, haters jump up in my range, so I'm drawing down my aim. Full clip steals brains when I'm bang.
Freestylin, make it sound, party while they getting down. Freestylin, make it sound, party while they getting down. Freestylin, make it sound, party while they getting down. Party while they getting down.
Johnny in his bitch, Wayne, I got you, I promise. Tell all them haters, let's be honest. Yellow tape where your spot is, so proceed with caution. Tell them all that they're not this. Yo, early in the morning and I'm already on it. Climbing to the top for the word into the party. Man, my flow is constant, just the way I ball shit. I don't know how to act, but my flow's constant. Freestylin, make it sound, party while they getting down. Freestylin, make it sound, party while they getting down. Freestylin, make it sound, party while they getting down. Freestylin, party making while they getting down.
I don't know about you, but I know about me. Smoking on the best trees, yes, I got the best weed. Rich like Mr. D's, all I do is succeed. All I wanna do is win, chillin' with the four twins, and they wanna get it in. We sippin' on that fucking jam, let this fucking record spin. This is the end, bitch.
But I'm a freestyle for a minute. Hold up, yo.
Just a little ending for y'all.
Why y'all keep tripping? Bruh, y'all so slipping, and I'm loading another flipping. Let me keep that blood dripping, and every day's a giving. So why you keep acting like you're something out? That's all I gotta say. And I ain't never grabbed a K, I just fought it throw away. Real talk, all nigga, all day. Nigga wanna try, tell him come my way, and I'ma beat this looking ass. Lil Wayne takes away.
Yo, I'm jumping on the Jeep like there's bunchies on my feet, sitting in the back seat. Charger at a slow creep, got my boys with me. We don't really give a damn. In my city, we gon' ham, bitch. We gon' jam, cause we is from Clay. All day, bitch. We do not play, but if you play around, bitch, we will lay you down, bitch. We will bust around, bitch. Right up in your crown, bitch. How does that feel, nigga? Cause I'm a real gorilla, and I will pull the trigger. And if you run up on me, bitch, you better get real. Cause I'm packed steel, and this is Jacksonville, but not really, bitch. I don't know, fuck y'all.
Yeah, words of living. Take a picture, cause you'll never be with us. Sitting in the cloud, yeah, big dipper. Right above my head, forget what I said. I'm so asthmatic, but I never run out of breath when I'm trying to spit. So much saliva, never gonna quit. Real talk, subscribe. Let's get it.